Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to check your computer's uptime in Windows 11. So very simple guys, just follow some easy steps. You can check uptime in your PC some different way. Easy way, right click on taskbar. Easy way, click on start. Type here task manager. Now open task manager. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now guys, here you will see option performance, so click on it. And if you are using Windows 10, so you will see option and performance tab here. So anyway, you select performance, and here is the uptime, so we can know how is this laptop is running. So we can see uptime is 2 hours, so last 2 hours it's continue running. So it's easy way to check your PC, laptop or computer how many hours it's running. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and in this simple way we can know how to check your computer's uptime in Windows 11. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.